Welcome to Cardi Station. Hope you all are doing well. And in this tutorial, we are going to make this cover, and we are going to use sheet metal for making it. So let's start. First of all, new part, and select the top plane, sketch, center rectangle from origin, make a center rectangle, and this one is press escape. Select the one, press Ctrl and select the perpendicular line and make a relation equal. So you need to mention only one dimension, that is of 100 mm. Okay, next is sheet metal and base flange. We are going to make a sheet metal of 1 mm thickness, and okay, Control 7 for isometric view. Once you convert a sketch into sheet metal, then you need to use this edge flange. A brief tutorial how to use this edge flange I have uploaded last week. So if you haven't watched, then I will try to put the link on the description, so you can simply click on watch how we can use this edge flange and when we have to use it. So I'm going to use edge flange, and here I'm going to use one here, one on the right, one on the back. For back, rotate it. I want one here, and the last one to close this here. And its height, I'm going to flange length, it's going to be 25 mm. And yep, okay, Control 7 again for isometric view. Half of it is done. Now next is again edge flange. From here, one. Okay, let's try it all once. If it's not done, then we will make it one by one. So okay, no, we are not going to make at once. Edge flange, and this is going to be 30 mm. And okay, now next is you have to click on this drop down, sketch, right click on it and edit sketch. Now next is just drag it like this, control 8 to take it to isomet normal. Now find its mid, press control and try to find the origin, or you can't find the origin, then find the midpoint. uh, Here, yeah, here is the origin, and make a relation vertical. So next is we need it of 35 mm, and this one is okay 29 mm. Control 7 again and double click, escape, and this one is done. Similarly, we are going to repeat these steps. So edge flange 3, similarly like this, and 30 mm. Drag it here, find the midpoint, press Ctrl and the origin. Similarly edge flange again, and this side. 30 mm. I'm trying to find the midpoint. Okay, first select this one, press Ctrl, and now find the midpoint here. Yeah, vertical. And the next step is simple. This is going to be 35 mm, and okay, double click here or click on this arrow. Control 7 again. The last side is here, H flange. This one is 30 mm and okay. The last edge flange and sketch, edit sketch, Control 8. This is a repeating steps, so find the midpoint. Similarly, find the midpoint or the origin. If you can't, then go to here. Here is the midpoint. Make a relation vertical. And this one is 35 mm. Okay, this one is also done. Control 7. Now we need to flit these sides, so we use the flit in the features, but here we have the option break corners. You have to simply this one and this one. Okay, this is done. Now you can change the radius. Now I'm going to 15 or 17, 18. Okay, I'm going to use the 18 mm. Let's select this one and this one. The third one here, and the final one is here. Okay, now all are done. Control 8, Control 7 for isometric view. Now we need holes here to fastering it, so we have the option simple holes. Select this one, and it's asking 10 mm, and the hole is of 10 mm diameter, so I think it's good for our sketch. If I want, I can change from here and here. So let me show you 11 mm dia. Okay, and one more thing, we need to make holes one by one. Let's check on this plane. Simple hole here. Okay, this one is going to be okay. Simple hole on it. Yep. Then what's the problem on it? Okay, this time it's done. So maybe I'm clicking on some wrong space, that's why. Control 7. Yeah, now let me show you. Here is yeah, here is the sketch. Here is the model that we are making. So these all are done. Now next is this vent. So we are going to make it 1 2 3 4 5 6 circles. So let's start. Select this face, sketch, Control 8. We need 6 circles. First one, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, and here is the sixth circle. So skip. Next we are going to mention the dimensions. So first of all, a smart dimension. This one is let's is going to be 15 mm. We will change it later. This one 30 mm, and after that 45 mm. um 45 mm. Next is this is going to be 50 mm. Okay, not the 50, 55 mm. Okay, next is 65, and the final one is 75. Now it's time to make it in more easiest way. 15 and 30, that's the 15 mm gap. Now next is 15 and 30, uske baad next is 45, 45, and this one is going to be 50, and then 60, this one is going to be 60. Okay, this will be cut, this is the gap, this will be cut. 60, this one is going to be 70, and this one is going to be 85. Okay, these all are done. So next is we need a line from here to here. Oh, okay, let me check, it's horizontal one. Double click to end the chain. Now again from here to here. Okay, escape. Now select this line and this one, it's going to be horizontal. Yeah, next is again line from here. Double click. Now from here escape. Now select this line, press Ctrl, select this line and make a relation vertical. Okay. Smart dimension from here to here, this distance is going to be 3. From here to here, it's going to be 3. Similarly, from origin to here is going to be 3. From origin to the line, gap is 3. Now we need the trim entities. Trim, we don't want this all till here, this all till here, straight here, and straight here. Now let's see what's done. Okay, we have made a mistake here. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, and Control Z. Control Z again. We need to um, okay, we need to trim this one and this one and this one. Let's see what's going to be done here. One here, one here, and one here. Similarly, one here, one here, one here. Okay. Cut one here, skip one, cut one, skip one, cut one. Okay. Cut one, skip one, cut one, skip one, cut one, skip one. Okay, then what's happened here? Okay, we have we have to cut this one, and we don't have to cut here. So we are going to again make here to here, again from here, here, and okay, the last one is okay. Control 8. Now let's see what's going to be cut. Features, extrude cut. We want to cut the sides. Let's see, we want to cut this one, this one, this one, and this one. Then we want to skip this, we want to cut this one, this one, and this one, and after that we want cut this one, this one, this one, and this one, and finally okay. Let's see what's done. Control 7. Now you can see we have done it. So here this cover is done. uh, the final one, you can change the appearance. Let's make its color to okay, this one. And now you can check it by using here is a sheet metal, and just click on this flatten, so it will be flat. So look how much metal you are going to use, and if you again click on this flatten, it will be like this. So this is all for this tutorial. We have made this this cover by using sheet metal, in which we use base flange, edge flange. We use the break corners from the corner one, and in the last we use simple holes to generate the holes over it, and we see how we can flatten it or again make it fold it. So hope you will understand the tutorial, and you are going to like, press the like button, share to your friends, and subscribe to Cat Station. Thank you.